Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can import Material UI into our React projects. So first of all, why use Material UI and what is Material UI? So Material UI is a library which we can import into our projects when this library provides us with already built components which we can use in our projects, and we do not have to do the hustle of creating or writing the code for that components. What I mean by that? So here I have this button. You can see this is a simple HTML button with no styles and nothing. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this website mui.com and we'll copy this link which we'll use to import Material UI into our projects. We'll go to our terminal and we'll paste this here and we'll hit enter. So we'll say npm start and this would start our development server. So it is okay. So it is started. Now what we'll do is we'll import button from, and you can see these options appear, and we'll select this one and we'll come here. Now instead of this button which we used earlier, we'll use this component. So we'll write button and inside this we'll say hello. So as you can see, if we refresh this page, this hello button comes here, right? So this is how we can import Material UI components into our projects. Now how I was able to know that this button exists in Material UI? So I can search here button and hit enter, and you can see this buttons appear here. Now you can also see these other components which we can use into our projects like icons, divider, avatar and much more. So for now we'll just leave it here, and in coming videos we'll learn how we can style this component and many other components, for example this or like outline. So thank you for now.